Hello everyone, this is your friend Ashutosh Dwivedi and you are most welcome guys on my YouTube channel Ashu Official 2021. Be happy, be positive and be optimistic towards learning anything new in your life. So today I'm here with an interesting topic about shopping, because shopping is a really popular and interesting topic for the guys, and most of the people, they are really interested to, I think, do shopping a lot. So I do have the question. Nowadays I think online shopping is really popular, and offline also the people, they are purchasing, but due to COVID they want to prefer online shopping a lot. So, and that the first question I want to ask to myself, that is, do you like shopping? So it is the question all about my interest. I do like shopping or not. So yes, I do like as well, but not that much. I like only the, I think, purchase the things which are valuable to me. I don't want to go forward for the shopping a lot always, because it is all about the management, and if you do have the money, it doesn't mean you can purchase like everything from the market. You have to, I think, make choices. What do you want to purchase and what do you want and don't want to purchase? So that's why in my case I do like shopping, but not that much. I think I want to prefer less shopping. So this is all about my answer, maybe, but you can be totally different from me. And the second question is, what's your favorite shop? If I think I'm talking about my favorite shop, the shop I do like the clothes shop, because I think I want to purchase some kind of t-shirts and pants, shirts, a lot more trousers, a lot more things. So that's why my favorite shop, I can say that is all about the clothes and like, you know, textile, this kind of shops. I think this is my favorite. And the third question, do you prefer shopping alone or with others? Do you prefer shopping alone or with others? It means, I think it depends on the, I think, you know, person to person. And if I think it is all about from my side, sometimes I would like to do, I think, you know, shopping with others as well. I do like to go with my friends and I want to do shopping, because they can choose something better, even though they can manage the things and they can do bargaining. And if I'm going for the shopping with my friends, at that time I can do fun, enjoyment and a lot more things, I think, you know. That's why sometimes I would like to go with my friends as well, and sometimes I think I would like to go alone as well to purchase something. At that time, if I don't want to tell to anyone what I'm gonna purchase, at that time I would like to go, I think, you know, alone. At that time I don't want to go with anyone. So mostly, but sometimes going with the friends, that is really thrilling, and we can do enjoy by, I think, you know, doing shopping at all, I think, anywhere. So the fourth question is, what kind of shops are there where you live? What kinds of shops are there where you live? It means it is all about my hometown, where I'm living, which kind of shops I do have. So the shops, I think, I have seen, I visited as well, the market oftenly I'm visiting. So there are a lot more, I think, you know, electrical shops, and the second thing, lot more cloth shops, and except that, I think, grocery and lots more things are there. So in the market, so mostly I have seen there are like clothes, because the people, they would like to prefer to purchase clothes a lot. So that's why they do have in the market. But my market is not that much good actually, because I'm living in a small town. I'm living in a village, but my town is 3 to 4 kilometers far from my village. So they do have, I think, some kind of shops, because I can purchase and we can purchase something, but that much, not that much organized and well. So they do have clothes shop, and except that they do have some kind of another shops, like, you know, gadgets, technical shops as well, and furniture shops as well, and like that, you know, grocery, refreshments, and lots more things like this. So the fifth question is, have you ever bought anything online? It is all about online shopping. So yes, I think purchased something from online. I think a few months before I purchased a camera lens. I need to say that a smartphone camera lens. And the second thing I purchased, I think, whatever I'm wearing, that is, I think, you know, microphone. I purchased this, I think, you know, microphone, I think, collar mic on online basis. So I did purchase something from online in the last few months, and that is quite well. I think we can just pay the money online and we can get the things in our home. So it is also really, I think, easy and really, I think, good for us. So the last question is all about, I'm going to ask, do you think men and women have different opinions about shopping? It is a kind of really tough question and critical question for me. How can I give answer? Yes, but yeah, of course I have seen, if I'm gonna do the comparison, so the women and the men, they have the different thought about like that shopping. And the mostly I have seen to the women, they want to purchase a lot more, I think, the stuff like for the decoration, sometimes for the makeup, and sometimes for the clothes like saris and the suits, and lot more things I can say they want to purchase. But I think rarely I have seen the people who are really crazy about shopping. Always they want to purchase, but they want to purchase less. So it means they have the different thought. It means men and the women, they have the different thoughts about like, you know, shopping. And but it differs to person. Like the few men also I have seen, they are really crazy at all the time, they want to purchase something new. But and the few women I have seen, they are not, they don't want to purchase because they are understanding. Because I think it is all of shopping is good actually, but of course if you do have the finance and if you have a lot more money, at that time you can go forward for the shopping and just, you know, do shopping unnecessarily. This is not good at all. So try to make good choices and try to prefer shopping, but I think just whenever it is important. So this is all about my answers, and thank you so much for keep watching and keep listening whatever I say to you. So in the last, I must say to you guys, if you are liking my content and if you are thinking it is valuable for you guys, and if it can help you little bit in your journey, so please do subscribe my YouTube channel. So it will be better for me as well, and it will be better for you as well, because you will get this kind of content in the future as well. So thank you, bye bye, take care.